Alright guys, as y'all can see, there is 2 big boxes right here. I haven't unboxed anything, it's still taped up. Let me just show y'all what I bought for my car. As y'all can see, the boxes are pretty big, so pretty sure y'all know what it is. I've been waiting for this package for a long time, that's all I can say. So let's get straight into it.
I'm so excited. Look at Ella, she's excited.
You excited for me? You excited for me? Okay guys, see if I can find it first of all. I got a Pro Charger. It's a P1 SC Pro Charger. I got it a great deal on it. That bitch is heavy. But yeah guys, got a Pro Charger kit. P1 SC. Has a pulley, has injectors, have everything, but I'm probably gonna run my stock in the injectors I already have because they're a little higher. This thing's pretty heavy. But yeah guys, look at this right here. Zoom into this. Right there guys, you see that? Pro Charger P1 SC. We're going boost. Yeah guys, it is a used kit. I'm gonna go ahead and lay out everything for y'all. That way y'all can see what the kit came with. I'll get back to y'all in a second. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, I did just take out the important stuff. We got the intercooler right there, the blower, the fan, the blow-out valve, the tensioner assembly is back there, the pulley, and in here we do have the tubing. Hey guys, it did come with some the 55 pound injectors. I won't be using these, so anyone who wants these, just hit me up. I'll sell them to you for a really cheap price. I have no need for them. But yeah guys, I'm gonna boost the Mustang. The Mustang is gonna be boosted very soon. I just need to buy the fuel pump, the tune, and just get installed. Hopefully within the next month and a half, the car should be running on low boost. Pretty excited for this build. Hope y'all are happy for me. You know, it's still the road to 1K. I already got my dream of being boosted. It's just a matter of fact of putting it on. And yeah guys, I'm planning to, the goal is to hit a low 10 in the car with the Pro Charger, and I'll be happy with that. But of course I'm gonna wanna go faster later on in the future. But right now it's just a start guys, so bear with me. This thing's gonna happen. I told y'all that the build was coming fast. No one knew about this. The build is coming, and hope y'all are excited for it because I know I'm excited. And I can't wait to put this thing on the car. It's time to boost her. Time to get the party going, time to get the party started. And you know, it's just crazy how much I've talked about wanting this, and knowing that it's right here in front of my face. Like the blower is literally right there. The blower is right there. It's so crazy, like so many ups and downs I had on this journey, and it's finally all right here in front of my face. Couldn't be any happier, man. And I thank y'all for supporting me. So yeah guys, let's make the channel grow. Let's make the car go fast. And road to 1K. Let's get it.